To ensure you have control over your Twitter notifications, here's a step-by-step guide on how to disable notifications for mentions on Twitter using your PC. Begin by opening Twitter on your PC. Once you're logged in, locate and click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the left-hand column and find the Web Notifications option. Click on it to manage your notification preferences specifically for the web version of Twitter. Within the Web Notifications settings, you will see various notification types listed. Look for the option that says, I get a reply or I'm mentioned in a tweet, and uncheck the box next to it. By doing this, you are disabling notifications for mentions in tweets. After unchecking the box, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button to ensure that your new notification settings are applied. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled notifications for mentions on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy a more personalized and distraction-free Twitter experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your social media usage. Happy tweeting!